इस चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। जो इस चैनल पर नए हैं कृपया चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और पास वाले बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाएं।
Diagram of a computer. Block diagram of a computer explains how different parts of a computer are organized and how various operations are performed between different parts to do a specific task. The internal architecture of computer may differ from system to system, but the basic organization remains the same for all computer systems.
A computer performs basically 5 major tasks irrespective of their size and make. These are: accepts data or instructions from input unit, stores data in storage unit, processes data as required by the user with central processing unit, controls all operations inside a computer with control unit, gives results in the form of output in output unit.
Input. Input is the process of entering data and programs into the computer system. The input unit takes data from us to the computer in an organized manner for processing. Keyboard is the one of the most commonly used input device. Other commonly used input devices are the mouse, floppy disk drive, magnetic tape, touch screens, mic, telephone, and scanner. Storage. Storage is the process of saving data and instructions. The storage unit holds data and instructions that are entered through the input unit before they are processed. It preserves the intermediate and final results before these are sent to the output devices. It also saves the data for the later use. The various storage devices of a computer system are divided into two categories. Primary storage. Primary storage is very fast and is generally used to hold the program being currently executed in the computer, the data being received from the input unit, the intermediate and final results of the program. It is temporary in nature. The data is lost when the computer is switched off. Secondary storage. The secondary storage is permanent in nature. It is slower and cheaper than the primary memory. Some of the commonly used secondary memory devices are hard disk, CD, etc. It stores several programs, documents, databases, etc. Processing. The task of performing arithmetic and logical operations is called processing. The central processing unit takes data and instructions from the storage unit and makes all sorts of calculations based on the instructions given and the type of data provided. It is then sent back to the storage unit. The arithmetic logical unit or the ALU and the control unit, the CU of a computer system are jointly known as the central processing unit or the CPU. All arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. and logical operations are performed in the arithmetic logical unit. It also does comparison and takes decision. Output. This is the process of providing the information and results of a computation to outside world. Printers, visual display unit or monitors are the commonly used output devices. Other commonly used output devices are floppy disk drive, hard disk drive, magnetic tape drive, speakers, and CD or DVD disk drives. Control. Controlling of all operations like input, processing, and output are performed by control unit. The control unit instructs the input unit where to store the data after receiving it from the user. It controls the flow of data and instructions from the storage unit to ALU. It also controls the flow of results from the ALU to the storage unit and output unit.